Good day, gardeners. Hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Now, ticks can turn your beautiful backyard into a danger zone. But what if we told you that the solution is as simple as planting the right greenery? Today, we're revealing 15 powerful plants that naturally repel ticks and help you keep your yard safe all summer long. Now, number one, let's start with lavender. Not only does it smell amazing, but ticks hate its strong aroma. Plant it near patios, walkways, or entrances to keep the bugs at bay. 2. Rosemary. Rosemary isn't just for cooking. This fragrant herb contains compounds that repel ticks, mosquitoes, and other pests. A bonus, it thrives in warm, sunny spots. 3. Marigolds. Marigolds are bright, beautiful, and bug repellent. Their strong scent helps deter ticks, aphids, and even nematodes in your soil. 4. Lemongrass. Lemongrass contains citronella, a natural oil that ticks and mosquitoes despise. Plant it in large pots around your yard or near outdoor seating areas. 5. Believe it or not, garlic does not just repel some common bugs. Ticks hate the strong smell of sulfur compounds garlic releases into the air and soil. 6. Mint smells great to us, but ticks can't stand it. Just be sure to keep it contained. It spreads fast. 7. Whether burned or planted, sage helps ward off ticks and other insects. It's great near fire pits or garden borders. 8. A member of the mint family, we have pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is powerful against ticks. Just keep it away from pets. It can be toxic if ingested. 9. Fresh basil. It's just delicious. It also helps keep ticks and flies away. Plant it in containers or around your garden beds. 10. These beautiful flowers contain pyrethrum, a compound used in many natural insect repellents. Ticks don't stand a chance. 11. Wormwood. Wormwood releases a bitter aroma that ticks cannot stand. Use it as a border plant, but avoid using it near edibles. 12. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus oil is a known tick deterrent. If you're in a warm climate, planting a eucalyptus tree or shrub can offer strong protection. 13. Rue is an old-fashioned medicinal herb with a strong odor ticks find unbearable. Just handle it with gloves. It can irritate your skin. 14. Catnip contains a powerful component that is more effective than DEET in some studies. Your cats will absolutely love it. Ticks will not. And bay leaves, they're not just for soups. The plant's fragrance actually repels ticks, flies, and cockroaches. Grow it in your pots near doors. Now imagine your yard is filled with beautiful aromatic plants and no ticks. Nature truly offers the best protection. Want even better results? Combine these plants with good landscaping practices such as keeping your grass trimmed, using cedar mulch, and removing leaf litter where ticks love to hide. Which of these tick-repelling plants will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others create a safer, tick-free yards as well. Like if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more natural gardening hacks. Hey everyone. Well, good day everyone. I am out here with our squash and they're doing pretty good. As you can see, this is what I do with this is what we do with our squash. When we see our squash growing like so right here, and this is our potted one, we take some of these old yellowing leaves off. You just snap them off, and then you see right here there's a squash that didn't make it really because it's giving the nutrients to this bigger one. And I'm going to take off these leaves right here and some old leaves on the other end. This is just some old flowers right here. We had a lot of rain for the past few days, and so a lot of the flowers got wilted, but the squash is doing very well. And I'm going to be taking off these old leaves, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Alright, so now this is how it looks after I've taken off all of the leaves that were kind of yellowing at the bottom. And here's our squash, and we have another one coming over here, and then some more flowers coming down here. Some more female and male flowers coming, so we got a lot more coming. So this is how it looks thus far in the pot.